What is up, everybody? We're going to be talking about navigating active threats, okay? So we talked about the MTC awareness stages: white, yellow, orange, red, brown. We just talked about the plan method when you're riding, position for safety, locating hazardous situations, assessing relevant threats, and now navigating active threats. So plan method and the awareness stages. Hey buddy, you're really bright. So the awareness stages is the mindset, the awareness in your mind. Planning is physicality and searching using your eyes. So think about that. You got physical movements, actionable steps with plan. The awareness stages is in the mind. It's to get you in the mindset. Now we're gonna go. So navigating active threats. Right now I'm coming up to an intersection. This is orange stage. I have no threats behind me. I don't know if they are. I'm assessing if this red truck is going to be a threat to me. Unsure, so I'm gonna go ahead and position myself for safety. And I'm still in orange stage, but if he decides to not freaking stop, I gotta navigate this because I went into red stage. I'm gonna accelerate into a lane filtering position, so hopefully he hits the Honda Accord and not me. So I position myself into an area where I have success if I needed to utilize acceleration as a tool to get out of here. And I was assessing at the same time if they were a threat. So we can't really show too much when it comes to the red stage and navigation of threats because I don't want to put myself in a bad position. So what we typically do is we watch DanDanTheFireman, we watch the main channel, we watch these people crash and have close calls, and we do an after action review. We figure out what they did, what they didn't do, what was successful, what was not successful, what they did versus what the car drivers or the external stuff happened. And we start to understand how things work. And for the most part, when it comes to navigating active threats, it really boils down to like 3 things that we can do. Okay, remember, we're on a motorcycle. We can't just jump over things. Maybe, who knows? The 3 things that we can do is emergency braking. So that's going to be emergency progressive braking. Hey buddy, emergency progressive braking. What that is that you're going to squeeze that front brake harder and harder and harder, but smooth, and you start off slow and you can get faster and faster and faster going into that. All right, I'm gonna make it through this yellow. It's not gonna be safe for me to not safe for me to stop. We got a side of the vehicle right here. Give myself a space cushion. Going to go ahead and present myself. The next thing we could do is swerve. If I had to, if somebody slammed the brakes right here and I just couldn't stop in time, I could swerve off to the right, swerve off to the left. Another thing that we can do in a red stage in navigation of an active threat is acceleration. A lot of people think all you can do is brake and swerve. You have another primary control of the throttle. You have a primary control of the front brake and rear brake. You have a primary control of the handlebars and steering. You also have a primary control of that acceleration, that throttle right there. So utilize it. So if somebody decides to pull out and I won't be able to stop in time, I'm going to swerve to the left and then accelerate to get myself out of there. As long as I have stuff in front of me that I can accelerate into, not another car, right? Another road, something. And I'm gonna swerve back into my lane. So I'm paying attention here, going to go position myself for safety. I can see the brake lights up ahead. But that's what we're talking about here. It's all coming together. Put yourself in that mindset. We are orange stage right now. If we had to go into red stage, we are going to make sure that we swerve. We do something that's important to keep ourselves alive. Okay, so practice this. This is a consistent, active thing that you're doing. Yellow, orange, orange, yellow, assessing, locating, maybe navigating, but position, locating, assessing. It is something that you need to practice over and over and over again. All right, guys, make sure you guys practice your awareness stages. Make sure you guys practice your plan method. You can drive doing your plan method. You can walk doing your plan method. But this is very important. Very, very important.